we have to raise certain larger questions on behalf of the party. Lakhs of small investors were cheated and looted of their money. Is it not our moral obligation for fair investigation? Why is Mamta ji silent on this? Why are the other political parties silent on this? And this order was given by the Supreme Court to investigate the conspiracy angle and also money laundering angle, whether high people were involved or not, and regulatory failures. Today, this investigation must be done in a fair manner. Let us not politicize it. Today is a great moral victory of the CBI. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश में स्पष्ट है कि उनके पुलिस कमिश्नर को अपीयर होना होगा सीबीआई के सामने, और कलकत्ता में नहीं, शिलांग में अपीयर होना होगा।
Chief Justice of India, after listening from both sides, has now suggested or given the order that Rajiv Kumar should make himself available for for discussion or examining, but then no arrest is imminent. How do you see this, ma'am? Even though arrest is not imminent, but then the very fact that he has to be available, does it show a budge from the rigidity that you all are
I think it's a moral victory. Why it's a victory? We said we have a great respect for the judiciary and the media and all the institution. Number one, this order was passed earlier also, that they can talk mutually in a mutual place. They can cooperate each other. Same today also the same thing, same verdict. We are grateful to that. Number two, yes, Rajiv Kumar never said that I will not be available. He said, he has given 5 letters. He said, we want to meet a mutual place. If you want to ask any clarification, you can come. We can sit there. But what they have started doing, they wanted to arrest him. They went to his house with secret operation, Sunday, without any notice. That court said no coercion effect, no arrest. We are so grateful. We are so obliged because it will strengthen the moral of the officials.
The Honorable Chief Justice of India's bench ordered that Mr. Rajiv Kumar would make himself available in light of the prayer of the application of the CBI to join that investigation, make available whatever is required and cooperate fully. At the same time, the Honorable Court pointed out that no coercive steps would be taken. The second matter which was highlighted by the learned Attorney General for India, Mr. Venugopal, was with relation to the question of contempt, because this is an order of the Honorable Supreme Court on which the CBI is looking at these mega scams. That matter also would be before the Honorable Court. Now, it has also been made clear by the Honorable Court in its order that the personal appearance after filing of replies of the concerned officers may be required, and that will be communicated by the Secretary General of the Honorable Supreme Court on the 19th, if such appearance is required on the 20th.